hold up, guys. I wanted to say something though. Oh yeah, we're seeing the house today, guys. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and my name is Solomon. For those of you that are new to the channel, please do not forget to like, subscribe, and share. If you have any questions, any comments, drop it down in the comment section down below, and I'll be glad to actually answer those comments, guys. Anyways, today we're actually going to be checking out a house that actually just got off the market. So this person actually bought the house. Now I do know the person, that's why we're actually taking a video of a house that is off the market. You get me, yeah? So we'll be seeing the house today. We'll be seeing how beautiful the house is. We'll be seeing the size of the house, and I do not know the price of the house for sure yet, but I'll try and see if I can get you guys the price. Anyways, without further ado, without further delay, without further wasting of time, without further hold on, pause, chit chat by me obviously again. Let's actually get into the video. Okay, so coming from here, we now have the living room. Like, this is the whole living room right here. Like, this is nice. And then there's also a balcony right there. So you have like your own space and everything. And then you now come like up to the stairs. So this floor is just for like the living room. Then upstairs here you have a kitchen. So you go up here, and then boom, your kitchen. So like there's a whole separate floor for the kitchen, which is nice. And the kitchen it's actually spacious for like a 3-bedroom. Like, I do like the space, and the lighting is nice too. Like, surprisingly, like this is actually a good space. I also like the backsplash. This is good. See this. This kitchen is nice. I really do like the wooden floor. I'm not sure what wood this is, but this is a very nice wood. For real though, this is very nice wood. And then you actually have a view from the kitchen, like outside. You want people to see well because of the camera and everything, but like there's a view down here to the kitchen. So the cupboard actually do look very new. Like, they look really new, which is nice. I really like the countertop. Beautiful. And yeah, and it's also a soft close cupboard, which you need to have in your house, definitely. Like, because you do not want to have like cupboards that actually just jam, like just hit the wood. It's not palatable. Yeah, it's not palatable, that's the word. But I like the soft close. And as you guys can see, this is the whole kitchen behind me. I'll give you guys a better view before we then go upstairs. So like this house is like a 3-floor house. So the first floor, there's a basement actually, then the first floor, which is for the living room, then the second floor is for the kitchen, and then the third floor are where like the 3 rooms are, and the 1 bedroom, which is nice. Anyways, let's take a quick view for the kitchen. Okay guys, so now we're going upstairs to where the 3 bedrooms are. I'm so sorry about the lighting. Like, there are like too many lights in the house, but as we're going, we're trying to like turn everything on. So this is the first room. Yeah, so this is the first room. It's small, but it's nice. And then I actually do like the flow within carpet and wood. I need to get the best lighting for myself actually. So okay, here is like extra storage, which is nice. And this is the washroom. Like, oh yeah. So this is the washroom, guys. It's actually a good size. Yeah. This is nice though. So now we're actually getting to the basement. Now this is the basement. Like this house actually has a basement for a 3-bedroom and 1.5 bathroom. This is nice. Now that in the basement here, you have like a half washroom. You have a dryer and a washer right here. Like you guys should like see this basement actually. Like it's actually okay for like a recreational room, like a gym room or something. Like just see this, guys. This is nice. And then this is the dryer and the washer. Sorry, it's kind of dark. Let me try to see. Oh yeah, this is like, so this is the dryer, this is the washer, whichever way, and that's the half toilet. So there's actually like a backyard here where you can actually like just come out and then take a chill pill, take the whole world in. Like if you just want cool breeze, fresh air, just like come out and just relax. Like it's a good place to have at your, like in your house. Like if you can have a backyard in your house, like you're good. And there's like a garden place right here where you can actually plant some things, just like have some things planted. I really do not know how to like plant things. Like I'm not that good with planting, so that would be definitely for me. I would have done a moving in vlog for them, but since I'm actually trying to help them move, I might not be able to like actually set up the camera and then start doing the moving in vlog. So unfortunately we won't be doing that moving in vlog. I'm so sorry about that, guys. Anyways, guys, I have to end the video here because they're actually trying to move and I'm here holding the camera for some odd reasons. Anyways, I will just be seeing you guys in the next video. Thank you very much, guys, for watching. Thank you very much, guys, for staying tuned. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and share. If you have any questions, drop it down in the comment section down below, and I'll be seeing you guys in the next video, guys. And as always, guys, stay safe.